Hello friends, good morning to everybody. Now at present there is a problems of COVID-19. So this is my humble request to all the students. You take care yourself and also your family. So it is very important in our life. Now we have start our next lecture, that is trade secret. In our classroom we were discuss about the patent, geographical indication, trademarks and other relevant chapters. So at present the trademarks is very important chapters. Now first of all we have discussed about the trade secret. Now I give one simple example for the trade secret. That is, suppose you take the example of any product or any manufacturing processes. These are the secret one. One, we take the examples of at our Nadiyad city, the name of the company, that is ADF Foods Private Limited, which are preparing different types of the pickles and ready-made Punjabi sabji. And these companies have a wide market in the European countries. So the preparation of the pickles and Punjabi sabji, these are the methods or secret formula which are not disclosed in the market. So these companies spend a lot of money for research and development for this particular product. So they spend a money for this particular product. So this company takes a benefit by spending this amount. Now we take the second examples of the Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola, that is the cold drinks, this company make a lot of money for the preparation of the formula of the Coca-Cola. This formula disclosed in the market. So number of the companies, they copy or they prepare such type of the Coca-Cola and puts in the market in other names. So ultimately this Coca-Cola company they lost is precious money. So each and every company, they have his own product and spending a lot of money for research and development, or we can say the preparation of new formula. We take a lot of examples of preparation of the shampoo, preparation of the different spices, preparation of the, in medical science we can say that the drugs. So we get also take the examples of preparation of the different types of the drugs which have a different formulas. So these are also the trade secret. In recent, there is a problem of COVID-19. So there is a lot of pharmaceutical companies in the world. They are trying to prepare the vaccine for the COVID-19. So they spend a lot of money. So any one company in the world, they get or they success for the preparation of vaccine for the COVID-19. So ultimately they prepare a vaccine and supply this vaccine in the each and every countries, and they take the money. So this trade secret is very important in any business. So this trade secret. Now what is trade secret? So we can say that in general, to qualify as a trade secret, the information must be a commercial valuable. It is secret, the known only to the limited groups of the persons, and to be subject to the reasonable step taken by the rightful holders of the information to keep its secrets, including the use of confidential agreement for the business partners and also the employees. So trade secrets are the intellectual property rights on the confidential knowledge which might also to be sold or a license. So trade secret is a very important for the company. Now trade secret is also important for any company. Now which kind of the information that should be protected under this trade secret? In general, any confidential business information which provide an enterprise a competitive edge and is unknown to the other may be protected as a trade secret. So trade secret encompass both the technical information, such information concerning that is the manufacturing processes, pharmaceutical test data, design and drawing of the computer programs, and also the commercial information such as the distribution methods, list of the suppliers and the clients, and advertising strategy. So we can say that the information that is the distribution and the list of the supplier. So majority of the company have a different supplier. So this supplier are the hidden part of the company. So if it disclosed to the another company, so there is a problem. So distribution method as well as list of the suppliers and the clients, these both are very important for the companies. Now a trade secret may also be made up of the combination of the element, each of which by itself in this public domain, but where the combination which is kept secret provides a competitive advantage. Other examples of the information that may be protected by the trade secret include the financial information, formula, recipe and source of the code. So the financial information of any company which are also including in the trade secret. Now one question arises in your mind that how are the trade secret protected? Suppose trade secrets are protected without registration. That is, trade secret require no procedure formalities for this protection. A trade secret can be protected for a unlimited time unless it is discovered or illegally acquired by the other and disclosed to the public. For this reason, the protection of the trade secret may appear to be particularly attractive for the certain companies. There are, however, some conditions for the information to be considered as a trade secret. Now, compliance with such conditions may turn out to be more difficult and costly than it would be appear at a first glance. Now, what is the requirement for the trade secret protection? So, trade secret protection is very important for each and every company. So, there is a requirement for the protection of the trade secret. In order for the information to be protected as a trade secret, it shall meet the following criteria. The information must be secret. Generally, it is not known among or readily accessible to the circles that normally deals with the kind of the information in question. Absolute secrecy is not required. For example, trade secret can be kept by the several parties as long as it is known to the other person working in the field. It must be actual or a potential commercial value because it is the secret one. It must have been subject to the reasonable step by the rightful holders of the information to keep it as a secret. Now we take the example. Suppose a company develop a process for the manufacturing of its product that allow it to produce its goods in more cost-effective manners. Such a process provides the enterprise or a company a competitive edge over its the competitor. Such enterprise or a company in question may therefore value its know-how as a trade secret and will not want to the competitor to learn about it. It makes sure that only a limited number of the people know the secret in the company, and those who know it are made well aware that is the confidential when dealing with the third party. So, third parties or a licensing its know-how, the enterprise sign confidentially agreement to ensure that all parties know that the secret information must not be disclosed. In such circumstances, the misappropriation of the information by the competitor or by any third party will be considered as a violation of the enterprise trade secrets. However, such measures will only be effective if the product could not easily be reverse engineered by the competitor. So we can say that any recipe or any trade secret, these are known only the very limited person in the company. Now, one more question, that is it possible to sell or license under the trade secret? Yes. Trade secrets are property rights and it can be assigned or licensed to the other persons. The holders of the trade secret has to the right to authorize a third party to access and use the trade secret information. So, in very easy to give the rights to the any company by taking the money. Now, What are the remedies provided to the holders of the secret information? In most of the countries, provide for remedies in criminal, administrative, commercial or a civil law, in particular tort law, contractual law and specific legislative on the unfair competition. In general, a trade secret owner can collect damages from a person who violated the trade secret of the economic injury suffered. Economic injury means loss either in cash or a loss in a business by using the duplication. So trade secret law of some countries might also permit the use of the injunction, which require the cessation of the use of any product that have been created through the use of the trade secret information contrary to the honest commercial practices. In some countries, for the particular case of the trade secret violation, criminal penalties are also available. Now, what are the international legal framework of the trade secret protection? Now, according to the Article 10 bis of the Convention for the Protection of the Industrial Property, that is the Paris Convention, member states have provided the effective protection against the unfair competition. However, the Paris Convention does not mention or define the trade secret behind the general protection against any act contrary to honest commercial practices. While the condition for trade secret protection, it is vary from country to country. In some general standards on the trade secret law are found in Article 39 of the TRIPS agreement. TRIPS means agreements on the trade related aspects of the intellectual property rights. So according to that article, trade secret protection is available in the following conditions. That is, the information must be secret in the sense that it is not as a body or in the precise configuration and assembly of its components, generally known among or readily accessible to the person within a circles that normally deals with the kind of the information. Second, it must have a commercial value because it is a secret one. Third one, that it must have been subject to the reasonable step under the circumstances by the person lawful in control of the information to keep it as a secret. Now, why the trade secret protection is necessary? So, in countries with a market economy system, both in the developing as well as in developed countries, fair competition between enterprise is considered as an essential means for satisfying the supply and demand of the economy and serving the interest of the consumers as well as the society or as a whole. So further, the competition is one of the main driving force of innovation. The law of the unfair competition, including the trade secret law. So it is considered necessary to ensure the fair functioning of the market and to promote the invention by suppressing anti-competitive business behavior. So now we discuss about what are the advantages and disadvantages of the trade secret compared to the patenting. So patent are the different thing and trade secret is different thing. So now when we compare, so there are essentially two kinds of the trade secrets. One, on one hand, trade secret may be concerned that is the valuable information that do not meet the patentability criteria. It means it should not be patented, and therefore it can be only protected as a trade secret. So this would be case for the commercial information or manufacturing process that are not sufficiently innovative to obtain a patent. So that is also known as utility model protection. On other hand, trade secret may be considered invention that will fulfill the patentability criteria, and therefore it could be protected by the patent. So in that case, the company will face a choice to patent the invention or to keep it as a trade secret. So company have choose any one. Now some advantages of the trade secret, which includes first, that the trade secret protection is not a limited time. So if once the trade secret have a not renewal, so it is used generation after generation. While in case of patent, what happen? It should be up to the 20 years, and after 20 years it should be disclosed to the company, disclosed to the public. So after 20 years the patent should be used by any other individual persons or any company. Okay, so it may be continue indefinitely as long as secret not revealed to the public. Second, trade secret involve no registration cost. Third, trade secret have a immediate effect. Fourth, trade secret protection does not require compliance with the formalities or a public disclosure. There are, however, some concrete disadvantages of the protecting confidential business information as a trade secret, especially when the information met the criteria for the patentability. If the secret is